faster!
At the start you can see this sample video and guess what, this was created using an amazing AI tool and the results are honestly amazing. Now if you think tools like Grok are already paid and you cannot use them anymore, then don't worry. Because in this video I am going to share a powerful AI tool with you that is completely free. And with this you can create any type of content you want. You can make ASMR videos. You can create dialogue videos or any style of videos you like. And the best part is the results are really impressive. The video quality is also very high, and there is no credit system involved, which means you can use it freely without worrying about payments. So if you want to create high quality AI videos easily, then keep watching this video because this tool can really help you level up your content creation game. Okay, so first you need to open the Arena AI website on Chrome, and creating an account here is very simple. You will see a login option on the right corner, just click on it and you can continue with Google or continue with email. You can also use a temporary email. The tool is free, but I created my account using a temp mail and I will tell you the reason later in the video. After creating the account, the interface is very simple and you will see multiple options on the screen. First there can upload images, and then there are options like image generation, and the last option is video generation. So I added an image using add files and also added a prompt with it. You have to do the same, upload your photo and write a prompt. Now one important thing is that you will usually get 2 video results for each image. Sometimes one video is really good and the other one is just normal. For example, the first video result was not that impressive, but the second one was much better. You can also generate videos without uploading any image. Just write your prompt directly and the AI will create videos for you. I tried the same prompt without adding any image and again I got 2 results. Both videos were good, but the second one looked better. Whenever your videos are generated, you can download them using the download icon at the top. Another interesting feature is that you can also add dialogue in your videos. For example, I used the same image and added a dialogue in the prompt like "come on, fly fast." Again, it generated 2 videos. The first one was not that good, but the second one was really impressive. So with Arena AI you can create ASMR videos, dialogue videos and different types of content. Now the reason I used a temporary email is because even though this tool is free, it has a daily limit. Just like Grok AI tool allow only a few generations per day. This one also has a limit, so if you want to generate videos you can create account using temp mail. I hope you liked this video. If you found it helpful, do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.